miss my mom and dad too. There is a sushi restaurant in the city next. It tasted just like this one.
Where is he?
Sushi restaurant in that other city?
Mom, Dad, where are you? Mom! Dad! Where are you? Mom! Dad!
I have to go. I must find my family.
Why are you closing the shop?
I'm closing for a while to go find my family.
Wait, no more sushi? You'll find us soon. We'll miss you a lot.
I believe that too. I'm off.